Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change your TikTok region location. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, head over to the TikTok application and logged into your account. Then tap on Profile in the bottom right corner. From there, tap on the three bars at the top, then select Settings and Privacy. Next, go into Privacy tab. Here, tap on Location Services, and once here, set it to Never, making sure it's fully disabled. After that, tap on Open Settings, go into Location, and set it to Never. Now, go back into TikTok and tap on Delete Certain Location Data, then choose Delete to remove it. Once that's done, open the Settings app on your phone, search for Region, and tap on it. Select Region option and select the region you want. Finally, restart your phone, and your TikTok region will be changed. And that's it. So that's basically how you can change your TikTok region location. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.